So if you use the Brizy page builder and you're experiencing error trying to edit any of your page on your website and you try to save and it's not saving, the reason is because some shared hosting servers are not generous with resources, or they reduce the certain amount of resource that they allocate, or perhaps they are tight with the security of your hosting server. But that's not an issue. So here is what you should do: get into your cPanel and go to mod security, and then simply just click on disable. If you have more than one domain, just simply go to the domain that is affected, and turn it off. By doing that, your Brizy should start working again. And if you cannot find the mod security on your cPanel, contact your hosting provider to turn off the mod security for your Brizy to be able to work. Thank you for watching.